Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. Kishore here, and we'll solve a little killer Sudoku today, which occurred in the Sudoku Mahabharat round 6, which was the Hybrids and Twisted Classics round authored by Kumaresan. Now this Sudoku tripped even the fastest solvers. I got to know this from the author himself. So let's solve this Sudoku today and see where the top solvers might have tripped. The rules of the Sudoku are, in addition to classic rules, there are cages within the grid. Cages are lines or dotted lines which are enclosing some cells. The sum of the digits within each cage is given at the top left corner of the cage. So for example, this 30 cage will be the sum of R3, C6, C7 and R4, C6 and C7, and digits cannot repeat inside a cage. Now the little killer rules are, there are clues given outside the grid, and those clues indicate the sum of the digits in the diagonal direction represented by the arrow. For example, 9 clue in here represents the sum of row 1 column 8 and row 2 column 9, and similarly for other cells. And now in a diagonal direction digits may repeat. So those are the rules. With that we'll start this Sudoku. Now a 7 cage is in box 7, so this can only be containing 1, 2 and 4. This is the only possibility when there is a 3 cell 7 cage. And now a 4 cage can only have 1 and 3. There is no other possibility, and because 1 is in column 2, so here there will be a 1 and this will be a 3. And there is a 3 cage in box 8 which can have only 1 and 2. Now 14 total can be added up to in two ways. It can be either 5 and 9 or 6 and 8. There is no other possibilities. So we can just pencil mark them. This can only be 5, 9 and 6, 8. And now we can eliminate the 4 from row 9 column 2, because if this cell is a 4, then row 8 column 1 will also be a 4. So we can remove the 4 from that cell. And 30 cage with 4 cells, there is only one possibility to add up to 30, which is it has to contain 6, 7, 8 and 9, because 6, 7, 8 and 9 will add up to 30, and those are the maximum possible digits that can come inside the cage. Now we have filled all cages, almost all cages that has only one of two possibilities. Now if you look closely in box 7, in this 7 cage, R8 column 2 and R9 column 2, these two cells cannot both have 1 and 2, because if this cell is a 1 and 2, then we have a 1-2 pair here, which means that 1 and 2 will be removed along row 8 and row 9 columns 7, 8 and 9, and 1 and 2 will be forced in these 3 cells, but we can have only 1 or a 2 here, because and 1 and 2 cannot be here. So it means row 8 column 2 cannot have a 4. Row 8 column 2 cannot have 1 and 2 due to the reasons I just explained below. So this cell will have to be a 4. And we can remove the 4 now from here. And now 10 cage in box 8, because 1 and 2 are in 3 cage, this can only be 3, 7 or 4, 6. 1, 9 and 2, 8 are not going to be possible. 3, 7, 4, 6 and 3, 7, 4, 6 are the only possibilities. Now if we have a 1 in this cell, row 9 column 2, immediately a 1 is forced in row 8 column 4, and in box 9 a 1 has to be present in row 7 column 9. And similarly, if row 9 column 2 is a 2, then row 8 column 4 will be a 2 and a 2 will be forced here. So this cell row 7 column 9 can have only a 1 or 2. We used a similar argument to establish that a 1 and 2 cannot be here, because the 1 and 2 will be in 14 cage. So the 14 total cannot be satisfied, which forced a 4 here. Now because 4 is removed from row 8 of box 9, 4 will be in one of these three cells. And that immediately removes the 4 6 possibility from 10 cage. So this can only be 3 7 now. And that will force a 3 7 in these three cells. Now 8 total has to be satisfied. If this is a 1, this will be a 7, and if this is a 2, this will be a 6. So this can only be 7 or 6, but 7 is not possible because we have pencil mark 7 in these three cells. So this will be a 6, and this will be a 2, this will be a 1, this will be a 2, this will be a 1, and this will be a 2 now, using classic rules. And now if you see along the 19 arrow, the outside clue, 1 and 1 have been placed. So we have to fill these two cells with such a total that adds up to 17. The only possible way is when we have 8 9 and 8 9. There is no other possibility. We can't have both 9s, then the total will go to 20, and we can't have both 8s, which means the total will fall one short by 18. So this has to be only 8 and 9. If this is 8, then this cell will be 9, and if this cell is 9, then this cell will be 8. And now 16 has to be satisfied. Now we have placed the 4. These two cells should add up to 12 now, and they can add up to 12 in only two ways, which is 3 9 5 7. 4 8 is not possible because a 4 is there already, and we have eliminated the 3 from this cell because 3 is coming from row 9 of box 8. So this will be 3 and 9 or 5 and 7. Now we have placed the 6 in row 8 column 1. So 6 is in one of these three cells. So that means the 14 cage can only be 5 9. It cannot be a 6 and 8, and that removes the 5 from this cell. That removes the 7 from this cell. 3 and 9 or 7 and 5 is the only possibilities now. Now this and this has to be 8 and 9 in some order. So cells which have an impact on both of these cells cannot have an 8 and 9. Hope it's clear. For example, this cell, row 9 column 1, cannot be 8 or a 9, because if this cell is 8, then both of these will be 9, and if this cell is 9, row 9 column 1, then both of these will be 8, which we don't want to have. So this can only be 3 5 or 7. 1 2 4 and 6, and 8 and 9 we have eliminated. So this can only be 3 5 or 7, row 9 column 1, but 3 and 7 is not possible. So this will be a 5. Sorry. So this cell has to be a 5, which means this cell would be a 9, and this would be a 3, and this would be an 8, this would be a 9, this would be a 7 using classic rules, and this has to be 4 6 8 in some order, and this will be 1 3 7 in some order. Using classic rules, I have filled out the left out digits, and this will be 5 1 9, and this will be 4 6 8. Now if you see this 11 total, you can't have a 1 here and satisfy the 11 total. So 1 can be removed from this cell. This will only be 3 or 7. So which means 8 and 4 are the only possibilities there. We can remove the 6. And if you see the 13 clue, similarly you can't have a 1 here, because 1 plus 2 is 3, and you can't have a 10 to satisfy the 13. So 1 can be removed from row 8 column 8. This will be a 3 7. So 1 will be here. and we can remove the 3, 7 from those cells. So this will again be 2 plus 3 is 5 and it has to be an 8, or 7 plus 2 is 9 and it has to be a 4. So this can only be a 4 or 8. We can remove the 6 from there. So this gives a 6 here. I'll just remove the corner pencil marks now. This can be removed. Right? I hope you're able to follow until here. Okay, now if you see this 31 total, it has 7 and 2 filled already, which add up to 9. That is row 7 column 3 and row 8 column 4 add up to a 9. Now we need 22 more from these 3 cells, that is row 5 column 1, row 6 column 2 and row 9 column 5 to add up to 22. The only possible way that can be done is if all these 3 cells take the maximum possible values. The maximum possible values in row 5 column 1 and row 6 column 2 are 7 and 8, which add up to 15, and row 9 column 5 the maximum value which is possible is 7, and 7 and 8 plus 7 add up to a 22, which will satisfy this 31 total. So we can go ahead and mark those. So this will be 7 8, this will be 7 8, and this has to be a 7. This has to be a 7, this will be a 3 now, and now immediately this gives us the 20 total. For the 20 total to be satisfied, this cell has to be a 9, it cannot be a 5, and this will be a 5. Now 9 plus 3 plus 1 add up to 13 for the 20 total, so this will be a 7 now, and this will be a 3. This gives this as a 3 and this as a 7, and this will now be a 4 and this will be an 8. And 25 total, if you see outside, we have filled 3 cells already, which add up to 3 plus 5 plus 7, which is 15. So balance from these 2 cells we need to get a total of 10. So if this is a 5, this will be a 5, and if this is a 9, that is row 8 column 6 is a 9, then row 5 column 9 will have to be a 1 to get the 10 from those 2 cells. And now using classic rules we can get only a 5 or a 6 in this cell, because 1 3 7 8 9 are filled and 2 and 4 are coming from column 2, so this will be a 5 or a 6. Now if you look at column 8, 3 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8 add up to 27, and you have the 12 cage here which adds up to a 39. Now the total in any row, in any column or a box in a Sudoku is 45, because if you add the digits 1 to 9 you will get 45. So these 2 cells will add up to 6, because the rest of the cells add to a 39. So these 2 cells will add up to a 6. So that means this has to be 1 and a 5 or a 2 and 4, because those are the only possibilities that make a 6 total. Now we cannot have 1 5 as possibilities here, because then this cell will be choked of all possibilities. So this has to be a 2 and 4, and this cell will be a 2 and 4. This means these 3 cells will be 1 5 and 6, but 6 we can remove from here, because then this will be a 3 for the 9 total, but 3 is in column 9, so we can remove the 6 from this cell. So this is going to be an 8 or a 4, and we can remove the 6 from this cell, because we have placed the 6 in these 3 cells in box 3. And now using classic rules along row 6 we get this cell as an 8, that is row 6 column 2 will be an 8, and this will be a 7 now, and these 3 cells will be 2 4 8, this will be a 2 4 8, and this will be a 2 4 and 8. So this means for the 11 total this has to be 9 7 or a 3, but we can remove the 3 because 3 is in column 2, so 3 is not possible, which means 8 is not possible here. Now for the 10 case to be satisfied, it has to either be 1 and 9 or 3 and 7, because 2 and 8 and 4 and 6 are not possible, because 2 4 8 has been locked in these cells. So this is 1 and 9, or a 7 and a 3. Now we have marked a 7-9 possibility here, so this will be 5-6. We can't have an 8 in this cell, that is row 3 column 1 cannot be an 8, because 8 plus 5 will add up to a minimum of 13, and then we have one more cell which will make this clue violated. So this will be a 2 or 4, so this has to be an 8 now. Okay, now 1, 5, 6 we have marked here in row 1, 2, 3 column 8. So the 1 and 5 pair will be locked in these two cells using classic rules. 1 and 5 cannot be in these two cells, so 1 and 5 would have to be here, and these three cells will be 4, 8 and 9. And now we can remove the 8 and 9 from here because 4, 8, 9 are locked here, so this will be a 7. Row 3 column 7 will be a 7, so this will be a 6, 8 and 9. This will be a 6, 8 and 9, and this has to be a 6, 8 and 9. Now because of this 7 here, we can get a 9 in this cell. So this will be a 7 and this will be a 4. This has to be a 2. This will be a 1. We can remove the 1 from here. This will be 5, 6. Right now, to satisfy the 13 total, we have a 2 already. So the rest of the cells will add up to 11. So 5 and 6 we have here. So this will be a 5 and 6. And this will be a 3 now. And now we have 4 in row 2 column 1, which eliminates the 4 from this cell, so this will be an 8, and for the 9 total this will be a 1 now, and these two cells will add up to, will have to be a 5 and 6 and a 5 and 6. So this will be 4 and 9, this will be a 4 and 9 because 8 is placed. We can remove the 9 from here because 9 is placed here in row 3 column 2, so this will be a 4, this will be a 9. Now for the 13 to be satisfied, these two cells will add up to a 9, and if it's a 5, this will row 1 column 7 will have to be a 4. So this cell has to be a 6, this cell will be a 6, and this will be a 3, this will be a 5, and this cell will be a 2 to finish the box. And using classic rules, we can place the 6 here because 6 is in row 2 column 8. This will be a 5 and this will be a 6. Now 14 clue can be satisfied. 7 is placed already in these two cells. 2 plus 5 add up to 7. These two cells, row 1 column 6 and row 4 column 9, will add up to a 7. So if this is 1, then this will be 6, but 6 is not possible, so this has to be a 5, and this will be a 1. Now if you remember, we deduced that these two cells should add up to 9, that is row 8 column 6 and row 5 column 9 should add up to 10 for the 25 clue to be satisfied. So this is a 9, this is a 5, and because of this 9 here, we can place the 9 in the 30 cage. So this will be 6 and 8, and this will be a 6 and 8, this will be 3, 6, 8, and this will be a 3, 6 and 8 along row 3 using classic rules. And now along row 1, there is only one possibility left for the 9 cage. It cannot be 1 and 8, it cannot be 2 and 7, and it cannot be 3 and 6. It is going to be only 4 and 5, but 5 is in column 5. So this will be a 5 and this will be a 4. And using classic rules, we can place the 2 here because of this 2. So this will make it, this cell as a 7, and these two cells will be 1 and a 9. This will be 2, 4, 5 for the column 3, and this will be 2, 4, 5, and this will be 2 and a 4. And box 6, we can pencil mark the remaining digits. Okay, we can place a digit actually. In row 6 we have an 8, so this will be an 8 and this will be a 6. And now this 21 clue has 4 cells filled already, which add up to 4 plus 7 plus 7 plus 1, which is 19. So this has to be a 2 to satisfy the clue, and this will be a 4 now, and this will make it as a 4 using classic rules. So this will only be now 2 or a 5, and this will only be a 2 or a 5. and because 6 and 8 are locked in these cells, so this will be a 4 now. We can remove the 6 from these cells. So this will be a 6 or 8, and this will be a 6 or an 8. And using classic rules along column 6, we can place the remaining digits along the column, which are 1 and 5, because 1 is here, 1 has to go here, and that forces the 5 to be here and a 2 here. And now we can finish row 5 using classic rules, and that forces 3 in row 3 to be in only this cell. So this would have to be a 6 and 8. Now we have a 6-8 pair along column 4. The remaining digits are 4 and 7. Using classic rules, we can place the 4 here because 4 is in row 4. This will be a 7, and this will be a 6-8, and this will be a 2 using classic rules. Now we can use this clue to finish off this Sudoku, I think. 1 plus 5 plus 6 along that direction add up to 12, and 3 plus 5 add up to 8, so 12 plus 8 is 20. Now for the 26 to be satisfied, this cell will have to be a 6. That forces a 6 here, a 6 here, 8 here, 8 here, and an 8 here. And that finishes this rather challenging Sudoku, where even the top solvers, it is understood that took more than 10 minutes. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you soon.